Does this sound familiar? You wake up already feeling behind, the weight of your to-do list pressing on your mind before your feet even hit the floor. Your alarm goes off, and the race begins. There's barely a moment to breathe as you rush to start your day, feeling like you're always playing catch-up. You're checking emails before you've even had a sip of water, your mind already spinning with work demands. Breakfast is an afterthought, if it happens at all. The day blurs into meetings, endless notifications, and looming deadlines. By the time evening rolls around, you're too exhausted to even think about cooking a healthy meal. So you grab whatever's quick, maybe fast food, maybe takeout, promising yourself you'll do better tomorrow. But tomorrow is just as hectic, and the cycle repeats. This relentless routine leaves you feeling tired, sluggish, and frustrated with your health. You wonder why you can't seem to break free from it. Deep down, you want to feel energetic, confident, and in control. You imagine a version of yourself who thrives, but your current lifestyle keeps getting in the way. It's not a lack of desire or motivation, it's a lack of time, energy, and sometimes even know-how. The demands of your job and life seem to leave no room for self-care. The modern professional world demands so much from us. We're expected to be always available, always productive, and in the process, we forget to care for ourselves. But it doesn't have to be this way. There is a path to feeling better, even with a packed schedule. Imagine waking up refreshed, ready to take on the day. You breeze through your work, and when hunger strikes, you have healthy meals ready in minutes. No cooking required. Throughout the day, you find small moments to move, stretch, and boost your mood. Even a quick walk or a few stretches at your desk can make a big difference. At the end of the day, you feel proud of your choices. You're not just surviving, you're thriving, and it shows in your energy and outlook. This isn't a fantasy. It's absolutely achievable with a few smart, sustainable changes that fit your real life, not someone else's idea of perfection. It's not about extreme diets or spending hours at the gym. It's about building simple, sustainable habits that work for you, no matter how busy you are. I'll show you how to eat well without cooking, sneak in exercise at work, and make your health a priority, even on your busiest days. You're not alone in this. We'll do it together, one easy step at a time. Let's get started and reclaim your health, energy, and confidence. The modern workplace is a minefield for healthy eating. You start with good intentions, maybe skipping breakfast for an early meeting. By mid-morning, you're starving, and the office snacks are calling your name. It's not a willpower issue, it's biology. Low blood sugar makes you crave quick fixes. Lunch sneaks up, and with only a short break, you grab whatever's fastest, usually unhealthy. These choices lead to energy crashes and more cravings. Lack of preparation is a major hurdle. Without healthy options on hand, convenience wins. If your office is surrounded by fast food, your choices are limited. Add in hours of sitting, and it's a recipe for low energy and weight gain. But don't worry, simple, effective strategies can break this cycle. Let's tackle them together. If you find yourself skipping meals or reaching for junk food during a busy day, you're not alone. The secret to avoiding these pitfalls is having a simple, reliable structure for your meals and snacks. Eating at regular intervals isn't just about discipline. It's about keeping your energy steady, your mind sharp, and those midday cravings at bay. Here's a flexible timetable that works for most people, but can be adjusted to fit your unique schedule. Start with breakfast within an hour of waking up to jumpstart your metabolism. Enjoy a mid-morning snack to keep your energy up, then have lunch around 1 o'clock. A mid-afternoon snack helps you power through the rest of your day, and aim for dinner by 7 to give your body time to digest before bed. This steady rhythm of eating fuels your body, supports your focus, and helps you avoid that drained feeling by late afternoon. A balanced breakfast, think protein, healthy fats, and whole grains, kickstarts your metabolism and sets a positive tone for the day. Snacks aren't just fillers, they bridge the gap between meals, so you never get desperately hungry or tempted by the vending machine. Lunch is your chance to refuel for the afternoon ahead, and a small, nutritious snack later on can prevent the dreaded energy slump that hits so many of us. Dinner should be satisfying but not heavy, helping your body recover and recharge overnight so you wake up refreshed. And remember, if you miss a meal or snack, don't stress. Just get back on track at the next opportunity. Consistency matters more than perfection. Preparation is your best friend. Keep healthy snacks accessible at work or on the go, and plan simple meals ahead of time to make good choices easy. With this structure, healthy eating becomes the path of least resistance, even on your busiest days. By planning ahead, you're not just fueling your body, you're taking control of your energy, your focus, and your long-term health. It's a powerful first step toward feeling your best every single day. Start today, and let's make this simple, energizing routine your new normal. Now, let's fill your schedule with easy, no-cook meals that are perfect for busy days and packed with nutrition. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, these ideas will help you stay fueled and focused without spending hours in the kitchen. For breakfast, start your day with Greek yogurt topped with a mix of fresh berries and crunchy seeds. This combination is not only delicious but also provides a great balance of protein, fiber, and antioxidants to kickstart your morning. Or, prep overnight oats with chia seeds and banana slices the night before. Just grab it from the fridge in the morning for a creamy, satisfying meal that keeps you full for hours. These breakfasts are quick to assemble, require zero cooking, and are loaded with nutrients to keep you energized through the morning rush. For lunch, build a hearty salad starting with a base of mixed greens. Add a variety of colorful vegetables like cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and shredded carrots for crunch and flavor. Top it off with a lean protein. Think pre-cooked chicken strips, canned tuna, or chickpeas for a plant-based option. These proteins are convenient and help keep you satisfied until your next meal. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon for a simple, zesty dressing that ties everything together. Or, if you prefer something handheld, make a wrap using a wholemeal tortilla. Spread on some hummus, layer with turkey slices or falafel, and pile on plenty of fresh salad for crunch and flavor. Dinner can be just as effortless. Think wraps, salads, or even a simple platter. Try a ploughman's platter with oat cakes, a selection of cheeses, pre-cooked eggs, and a fresh salad. Don't forget snacks. Keep fruit, a handful of nuts, cottage cheese with pineapple, or rice cakes with peanut butter on hand for quick, healthy bites between meals. Prep these options in advance and store them in containers for grab-and-go convenience, so you're never caught without a healthy choice. No cooking, no fuss, just smart assembly and a little planning. These meals will keep you energized, satisfied, and ready to tackle whatever your day brings. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With the right ingredients on hand, you can eat well anywhere, at your desk, in the park, or after a workout. Make these no-cook meals your go-to options for busy days, and you'll always have something nourishing ready. You'll notice the difference in your energy, focus, and overall well-being. Eating well is easier than you think, and it can fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. So keep it simple, keep it delicious, and let these no-cook meals fuel your best days. No stove required. Make no-cook eating effortless with a few smart hacks. Embrace pre-prepared ingredients. Pre-washed salad, cut veggies, and fruit pots save time. Stock up on ready-to-eat proteins. Pre-cooked chicken, canned fish, hard-boiled eggs, or plant-based options like hummus and falafel. Portion snacks at the start of the week. Nuts, yogurt, hummus with veggie sticks, so they're ready to grab. Invest in good containers and jars for easy storage and transport. Mason jars keep salads fresh and organized. A small shaker bottle is perfect for quick dressings at your desk. These hacks remove barriers and make healthy choices automatic. The easier it is, the more likely you'll stick with it. Eating well is only half the battle. Movement matters too. You don't need a gym, just add small bursts of activity to your day. Try exercise snacking. Quick desk exercises like chair squats or tricep dips. Set reminders to move every hour. Stretch at your desk. Neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, and full body stretches relieve tension. Walk whenever you can. Visit a colleague's desk, take the stairs, or pace during phone calls. Use part of your lunch break for a brisk walk outside. These small actions boost energy, mood, and metabolism. Every step counts toward a healthier you. Don't underestimate the power of movement. Make it a habit, not a chore. Your body and mind will thank you. Stay active, even in a busy office. It all adds up. Time management is the secret to health success. Schedule health activities like meetings. Block time for walks, stretches, and meal prep. Plan your week. Know your busiest days and prep meals accordingly. Write a quick shopping list to avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Stack habits. Link new routines to existing ones, like stretching while your coffee brews. Protect your time. Say no to things that derail your health. Block your lunch break so it's non-negotiable. Prioritize your well-being as you do your career. Invest in yourself. You're worth it. Meal prep doesn't have to be overwhelming. In just 15 minutes, you can set yourself up for a healthy week. Start by portioning snacks, nuts, yogurt, veggie sticks, into grab-and-go containers. Prep lunch components. Layer salad jars with dressing, veggies, protein, and greens. Wash and chop veggies for easy snacking. Create a grab-and-go fridge station with all your prepped items in one spot. Add fruit, protein pots, and hard-boiled eggs for variety. When mornings are rushed, you'll have everything ready. This quick session saves time and stress all week. Healthy choices become automatic. Meal prep is an act of self-care. Make it a weekly habit. Your future self will thank you. Remember, this journey isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. There will be days you forget your lunch or indulge in treats, and that's okay. What matters is making healthy choices most of the time. Think of each good choice as a brick in your wall of health. One missed meal doesn't undo your progress. Just get back on track. Focus on how these habits make you feel. More energy, less stress, better mood. Celebrate small wins and keep building momentum. Positive changes add up over time. Be kind to yourself. Progress, not perfection. Consistency creates lasting results. Show up for yourself every day. You're building a lifestyle, not following a fad. You've got this, one step at a time.